Linking your bank account to Coinbase allows you to buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies easily. Follow these steps to set up your bank account with Coinbase. Step 1. Create a Coinbase account. Visit the Coinbase website or download the mobile app. Sign up for a new account by providing your email address and creating a password. Verify your email to activate your account. Step 2. Complete identity verification. Log into your Coinbase account and complete the identity verification process. This may involve providing personal information such as your name, address, and date of birth, as well as uploading a valid form of identification. Step 3. Navigate to payment methods. Once your account is verified, go to the Settings section. From there, select Payment Methods to add a new bank account. Step 4. Add your bank account. Choose the option to link a bank account. You will be prompted to select your bank from a list or enter your bank details manually. Follow the instructions to enter your account number and routing number. Step 5. Confirm your bank account. After adding your bank account, Coinbase may require you to confirm it. This can involve small test deposits made to your bank account, which you will need to verify by entering the amounts on Coinbase. Once these steps are completed, your bank account will be linked to your Coinbase account, allowing you to easily manage your cryptocurrency transactions. Enjoy trading.